This is my model of the St. Ignatius Cathedral in Seattle, Washington. It was built by the architect Stephen Hull in 1995, and it is located on the campus of the University of Washington in Seattle, Washington. You'll notice how it is a rectangular shape, and that is due to the way he needed it to fit on the campus itself. It wasn't very easy for me to show what the windows would be. So where the green and the teal is, those were the windows. He incorporated a lot of windows in his building because a thing about Catholic churches is incorporating beauty, and one way to incorporate beauty was through light, and Stephen Hull really used light as a way to incorporate beauty in his work. This part would have been a pond in front of it. So I'll show you this picture here, which is where you can see the front of it and the top window overlooking the pond, which would be that view of my sad model. Over here you notice some other pictures. The layout of the building is very cool. You see its arches, and you see how it's not fully squared off at the top. It's all kind of arched and turned, which I incorporated in my model as best as I could. And you'll notice the shape of that, how it's smaller over there. Those would have been windows and doorways on the brown. So yes, a major thing that was something I noticed was cool. He had basically like a hanging cross at the top. Something cool about Stephen Hull's architect work on this was how he incorporated the beauty for the Christianity church, because Christian churches are huge on beauty, because the beauty within the church and the beauty within the religion and the belief, and they think that the beauty is within the inside, and if you are a believer, then you get to see the beauty. So the outside isn't too beautiful. It's more of an interesting look. The materials I used for this was honestly simply a large poster board that we all used when we were kids, and I cut it into thirds, the base being 1/3, and then used the rest to cut my shapes and designs. And then I used glue, and I bought some acrylic paint. Simple.